How to add a messenger chat to Hostinger website builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add the messenger chat or the Facebook messenger chat into your Hostinger website builder. So the process is going to be very simple. You're going to head over the H panel of your account or the dashboard of Hostinger by signing in into the platform by your account, of course. And from here, you're going to see this specific dashboard. Now we're going to select the websites and click on websites list. Now what we're going to do is to see the websites that we have and select one that we want to add this option to. For example, I'm going to select this one. I'm going to wait for the website to load up. And from here, we're going to see the different elements in here. Now, it is not going to be an organic, let's say, process because we do not have the option of adding the specific messenger app into this one, but we are going to get the help of Elfsight, which is going to be a widget creator based on the third-party platforms. So we are going to have here a widget created. So basically, you're going to head over Elfsight, sign in for an account, and etc. So we are going to see here that on the widgets, we have some categorizations. We're going to head over the chats. We're going to see here, we have Facebook chat, Instagram chat, Line chat, Telegram, and WhatsApp. So you can also add all-in-one chat, which is going to integrate all the platforms chats in only one place, or you can go ahead and select, for example, Facebook chat, which is going to be a messenger chat. So it is up to you to choose one of the chats in here. For example, I'm going to have here all-in-one, which is going to integrate everything. Create this specific widget, just like that. And we're going to select the layout of it. For example, we have here a contact widget, a general widget, an accent color, a black and white. Everything is going to be just in order. So also you can go ahead and have the dark theme also. So when you finish here the layout, you can go ahead and click on continue with this template. You can have here or add the contacts, for example, by adding your WhatsApp number, the email address of yours, which is going to be integrated in here, the call for your phone number, also the Instagram, and etc. So you can add also some more contacts like these, as you can see here, and then you can add your specific data in here. When you finish, you're going to head over the contact. You can customize the bubble icon, the bubble text, which is going to be appear on this one. Also the picture of the person that is going to take charge of the client, the name of it, and also some captions like online. You can here have a welcoming message like this one or customize it. Also, you can add some button titles like that. For the settings, you can put the position or regulate the position of the specific chat, add or modify the chat display settings like pages, devices, visitors, date and time, and open the chat triggers and notification. For the appearance, it is going to be changing the specific appearances of the specific bubble. When you finish, you're going to click on add for or to the website for free, and you're going to finally get to publish that. I'm going to go publish it. I'm going to select the free plan and we are going to install it. Basically, you're going to get the this one or the source code, copy the code, head over the Hostinger website builder, add an element, and I am going to add an embed code and I'm going to put it in here, basically here. So we are going to double tap on that code, select the code in here, replace it with that, click on embed, and you're going to see the chats in here. Basically, this is the bubble. And with that, we have concluded our specific process for today's video. With that, I have finished the Messenger, as you can see, app or the Messenger bubble. And thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.